What does this guy have to do with fashion? Hi, I'm Margaret. I'm a trendy Wendy, and as someone who wants you to get the most out of your wardrobe, let me tell you about merino wool. Merino wool comes from the merino sheep. It is temperature regulating, antimicrobial, and it biodegrades in 6 months. It really is a super fabric. Great for things like outdoor hiking gear, but it also comes in beautiful styles like this sweater vest. Uniqlo stock a wide range of merino wool, and I got mine from an op shop. When combined with something like possum fur, merino possum becomes even warmer than cashmere. It's soft, super fine, washes well, although you don't need to wash it that much at all because its moisture wicking properties basically mean you're stink free. It's a perfect blend for something like gloves, hats, or a scarf. And look at this cute little neckerchief, which is locally knitted in the home of the big merino, Goulburn. So next time you're in Goulburn, why not say a hello and a thank you to this guy and visit the little gift shop underneath. Happy day!